angle, you know what is elevation angle. Okay, if you're looking from down, you are seeing something which is at some height. So whatever angle you're making, so this is called as angle of elevation. Like there is a building and you are somewhere here at the origin. Okay, this is called as horizon plane, horizon. Okay, so if you are here and you're looking top of the building, so whatever angle you are making with the building, so this angle would be the angle of elevation. Okay, and another angle is angle of depression. So angle of depression is someone is there at the top. Okay, and he is looking at this point A. So whatever angle it is making with the horizon, so this will be the angle of depression. And always angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Why they are equal?
Sir, because they're opposite. Sorry, not opposite.
It is called interior opposite.
Interior opposite.
Okay. So now the question is finding angle of elevation in a real world context. So now you in this question, yeah. So 3 points ABC are on level ground. So level ground means they are on the same plane. So B is due north of A. So B is due north of A. The bearing of C from A is, so bearing of C from A is 22 degrees. The bearing of C from B is 75 degrees. Okay. So this is actually your north. Okay. They have just rotated that triangle to make it 3D. Okay. So that will be taken as north. So there is no issue if you're taking north anywhere. Okay. Because it is according to you. So north, either you are taking north this side. So you will have to take bearing from the north. Okay. So bearing from the C is 75, it is given, and it is 22, it is given. Now distance is also given. A to B is 160 meter, and the distance between B to C. So how you are going to find it? BC.
Sir, so we have two angles, one side, so sine rule. I think. No. Wait, yeah, we have it.
Yeah, sine. But do you know that how much is the angle ABC?
So 90, because
9. Where it is
no.
written it's
Okay,
90.
no, it can't be. Okay. So 180 minus 75. Because A, B, not. So because B from C is
Yeah.
75, so 180 minus 75.
Yeah. It is 105.
Yeah.
So this angle is 105. So now you can calculate this angle.
Yeah.
Afterwards, you can use
The
sine rule. Okay. So BCA is 75 minus 22. Exterior angle property by the exterior angle property. This 22. Okay. So now you can easily calculate it. Okay. Now find the angle of elevation of T from C.
T from C.
You have to see T from C. So this angle, whatever angle it is making with the horizon, so that will be your angle T from C. Find the angle of elevation of T from C. So this angle, you have to find it out. Okay.
Yes.
C is the point of observation and you are seeing that point T. So that will be your angle of elevation. Okay. So it is in TBC triangle. Where is TBC triangle? This is TBC triangle. Okay. And it is given that it's a 90-degree angle. So your triangle will look like this. So it is 90 degree at B. Okay, it is T. You can or you can make it C here because you are going to find it angle of elevation. So this angle you have to find it out. Okay. So any side you have, you have to have two sides to find that angle. Okay. So BT, they have found BT. Okay. And BC is found in the previous one. So if you have both these sides, so you can calculate that C angle. Okay. So like this, these questions will be done. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll move to the next. Okay. So this is the next question, question number 9. Okay, you can try it. Did it?
Yes, we're getting 169.
BC is 169.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A vertical mast CT of height 25 meters stands at C. Find the angle of elevation of T from B. Okay, just check your answer with the book. 169.
So the first one?
Yeah.
So they got 170. Does that count?
Yeah, okay, no issues. 170 is just closer to 169. Okay. So now a vertical mast CT of height 25 meters stands at C. So it's a vertical mast like this. Okay. So it is of 25 meter height. So now you have to find the angle of elevation of T. It is T from B. So this angle you have to find out. This is your CT. It is 25 meters. Okay. Just imagine this. Just imagine this scenario at your paper. Just make it and keep a pen there. Okay, at C. And then you can imagine that How you're going to calculate it? This BC will be perpendicular to CT, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, so can we use tan again for perpendicular and
Yeah,
base?
so this triangle will look like this.
Yeah.
So it is C, it is T, and now it is B. Okay, so you have to find that angle of elevation, this one. This one will be your angle of elevation. So CT is given as 25. BC you have 169. Okay. Actually, it is looking very different. If you see this triangle, this BCT and this triangle BCT, you cannot imagine that how it may be. Okay. But if you make it on your paper and make a mask of your pencil, then you can say, yeah, it's a right angle triangle.
Sir, so then the angle. Yeah. Sir, it would be 25 by 169, right?
Yeah, it's a tan A. So how much it is coming? It is very short angle actually.
Yeah. So it's coming out
Around,
as 8.
yeah,
Right.
it may be 8.
Okay.
Just check it.
Sorry.
Check it with the answer.
So it's coming 9.2. So
9.2.
yeah.
Something you are making mistakes, I think. It is 170.
Yes, it's 170.
Okay, do it. Do it by taking 170. Okay, just let me check it. How you are calculating? What is the problem? $25 by 169. 25 by 169. It is 0.1479, and it is 10 inverse.
Yeah, so it is 7.9.
How much? 8.41 it is coming.
So it's what? So for me, it's coming 7.9.
No, calculating. How are you calculating it?
0.14170.
Yeah, 25 by 169, it is 0.0147992. And if you take it inverse, tan inverse.
Yeah.
So it is coming 8 point something. 8.414617.
So 8.41.
Yeah, it is.
Huh.
Okay, very good. So thinking time. Okay. In order to do the following diagram, is this diagram correct? Explain your answer. Okay, just think about this question. Albert is given the following problem to solve. Okay. So rather than focusing on this figure, You just make your own figure. Then it will be easy to compare.
Yes, sir, the diagram is correct then. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sufyan is in a cable car P at a height of 80 meters above the ground. She observes a statue at A and a fountain at B. Okay, given that the angle of depression of the statue and the fountain from P are 35 and 40. Yeah, I told you about the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Okay. So if they're talking about the angle of depression, so it is always be calculated from this. Okay, this angle will be 35 and this angle would be 40. Okay.
Yeah.
So like this, it will be 35 and 40. Angle of depression from 10, okay, respectively. Now angle APB is 55. APB is 55. Okay. Can AP be 55?
Sir, can what AP?
APB is given as 55.
Oh, right.
55, 35, 55 and 35 is that some 180
No,
degree
no,
in
no,
the
no.
triangle APB?
No. 130 degree.
Yeah, so it is wrong. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So solving problem involving angle of depression. I told you what is angle of depression. Okay. So now they have explained this question. Whatever we discussed above. So actually it was like this because A and B will be on the same level. Okay. And P is at some height from A and B. So it is okay.
Okay.
So this is the explanation of the previous question. Now angle of elevation of P from A will be 35. It is clearly written there. So now this is 35 and it will be making 90 degree angle with at Q. Okay. So now you can take it that AQP as well as BQP. There are two right angle triangle. Now you can use trigonometry here to calculate the distance AB, and that AB you can calculate now. So it's a real life scenario. You calculate the two sides of a triangle AP and PB. Can you calculate it?
Okay, yes.
So if you have AP and PB, now you have P angle.
Yeah.
So the front side of P angle is AB. Now you can use cosine rule there. Two sides and an angle you have. So you can find out other side. Okay. So this
Yes.
after using this concept, you can do it. Now we'll practice some this 10th question.
Sir, I'm not sure which version of the diagram is correct and which one's wrong.
Okay, Imran is on the top T of an observation tower. Okay. So just make an observation tower here like this.
Yeah.
OT. So T is the top of the tower. Okay. The height of the tower is 54. So it is 54. He observed a car that has broken down at point A, causing a traffic jam at B. So some car is broken down here at point A. So we don't know that whether this point A is nearer to the tower or far away from the tower. Okay, we are not sure. So somewhere it is A and it is B, or it can be AB here. Okay, given that the angle of depression of A and B from T are 42 and 38. Okay, so from A, it is 42. So A must be this one, because this angle will be lesser.
Yeah.
So A is this and B is this. Sorry. At A, it is 42. At A, it is 42. So
Okay.
A must be here. And B must be here because it's a lesser angle. That is 38. Okay. But it is because it is a angle of depression. So you have to make figure like this. So this will be 38 and this will be 42. Okay. So this is 38, this is 42. Now angle ATB is 48. ATB is 48. This angle is 48 degrees. Find the distance AB. AB you have to find out. So this one is how much?
So 180 minus 42. So
It is 138.
yep.
So all the three angles of a triangle are given to you. So you can easily calculate AB by using which rule?
The cosine rule.
Cosine rule. Cosine rule. By using cosine rule, you can calculate AB. Okay. Okay. So what time you want class tomorrow? At 4:30 or some late?
Sir, 4:30 is fine.
Okay. If there is a matter that you are coming late from your school, then please inform me so that I can schedule class later.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then what is your homework now?
So
This question is not been done. This 10th question is not been done till now. So this will be also your homework.
okay.
Okay. And now the next, just note it down. This 10B is your homework and whole exercise 7C. 7C will be your homework.
Okay.
7C, it's a very lengthy exercise, but you have to do it.